Imagine a method that could help you master any topic, from quantum physics to a new language. Sounds exciting, right? Welcome to the world of the Feynman technique. Developed by Nobel laureate Richard Feynman, this learning method is a game changer. It's about breaking down complex ideas into digestible parts and reconstructing them for better understanding. From students to scientists, this technique has enhanced learning and problem-solving skills across various fields. Now that we've piqued your interest, it's time to dive deeper into what the Feynman technique entails. The first step of the Feynman technique is choosing a concept. But it's not just about picking a topic, it's about truly understanding it. Now you might be wondering, why is choosing and understanding a concept so important? Well, the answer is simple. It's because when we truly comprehend a concept, we can then break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. This makes the complex idea less intimidating and more approachable. Think of it like a puzzle. The bigger picture may seem overwhelming at first, but when you start by focusing on each piece individually, it all starts to make sense. This process of deconstructing and reconstructing ideas is the core of the Feynman technique, and it all begins with a thorough understanding of the concept at hand. With a solid understanding of your chosen concept, we move on to the second step. In step 2, we take on the role of a teacher, but our audience is not a classroom of peers, it's a child. Now, why a child? Well, children are naturally curious, and they have a knack for asking questions that get straight to the heart of the matter. The trick here is to simplify our concept so much that a child could understand it. This doesn't mean dumbing things down. Oh no, it means breaking complex ideas into their most basic parts. It's like taking a puzzle apart and explaining each piece. This process of simplification forces us to scrutinize our understanding of the concept and weed out any ambiguities. With our concept simplified and understandable to a child, we progress to the third step. In the third step, we become our own critics. We identify gaps in our understanding and return to our source material. It's like playing detective with our knowledge, seeking out the missing pieces and filling them in. We revisit the source material, delve deeper, and solidify our understanding. This process is crucial. It's not about memorizing, but truly comprehending the concept. It's about acknowledging what we don't know and finding the answers. With our gaps filled and a more comprehensive understanding, we approach the final step. The final step involves simplifying our understanding further and using analogies. But why is this important? Well, analogies are like bridges. They connect the unknown with the known, making the unfamiliar familiar. By drawing parallels to something we already understand, we can grasp complex concepts with ease. Imagine trying to understand the concept of gravity. It can be simplified as an apple falling from a tree, a commonplace event that encapsulates a complex scientific principle. And it's not just about making it simple, it's about making it stick. Analogies, with their vivid and relatable imagery, lodge themselves into our memory, making recall easier. So, don't just simplify, personify, dramatize, and visualize. Make your learning a vivid tapestry of relatable analogies. With this final step, we've mastered our chosen concept using the Feynman technique. So, we've journeyed through the 4 steps of the Feynman technique. It's time to recap. We started with choosing a concept, a topic we wanted to master. Then we took on the challenge of teaching it to a child, simplifying the complex ideas into digestible bits. We identified gaps in our knowledge and returned to the source material, filling in those spaces. Finally, we simplified the concept even further, using analogies to aid our understanding. This is the Feynman technique, a powerful tool designed to enhance our learning and problem-solving skills. It's a method that breaks down even the most complex of topics, making them easier to understand and master. By harnessing the power of the Feynman technique, we can enhance our learning, problem-solving skills, and overall understanding. So what's your next topic to master?